In this video, I'm going to show you how to view transaction attachments in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Attachments in Monarch Money let you store things like receipts, photos, or PDFs directly on your transactions, making it easier to keep records in one place. To view them on desktop, go to the Transactions page and look for a transaction with a paperclip icon. Click to expand a transaction, then scroll down to the Attachments section. Here, you'll see thumbnails of any files attached. You can click on them to open a full-size view or download them to your device. If you want to quickly find all transactions with attachments, use the filter option and select Has Attachment. This helps you locate receipts or documents without scrolling through everything. Keep in mind, attachments are tied to individual transactions, and there's currently no bulk download option, so you'll need to open them one by one. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.